Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Maria and in this video I will show you how to use the negative space when painting with watercolors and how to most easily paint a forest of birch trees with this technique. The whole technique of negative painting is very simple and is based on the idea that painting is not based on an object but its background. You can paint this background, fill it with texture or shadows. These elements are applied around the object. Then the focus is on the area outside of the shape rather than on the inside. For this painting, I used 100% cotton watercolor paper, 240 GSM, masking fluid, and watercolors. The first thing I will do is a sketch of birch trees with a pencil. The idea is for the trees to be in 3 rows to get an impression of the depth of the space. The last row of trees will be the thinnest, and in the first row the trees will be the widest. I also need to draw all the black parts on the bark of the tree because later I will cover all the parts I want to leave white with masking fluid. When the masking fluid dries, I can start painting the first layer of paint. For this painting, I used a mix of sap green, Prussian blue, and alizarin crimson colors. This painting will contain only 3 layers of paint. Once the first layer of paint has dried, I can remove the masking fluid from the trees in the back row. Now I apply another layer of paint. It will also cover the white surface of the trees in the back row so that it will stand out less than those in the second and first rows. Once the second layer of paint has dried, I will remove the masking fluid from the second row of trees as well. Now I'm going to paint the third and last layer. This will cover the third and second row of trees. With this technique, the trees in the back row will be the darkest, in the second row a little lighter, and in the first row white, because I will not apply paint over them. After the third layer of paint has dried, I will remove the masking fluid from the first row of trees as well. And with this, the painting is over. I hope you enjoyed this technique and that you will use it yourself in some of your paintings. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss my new content. And of course, click that like. Thanks for watching and bye-bye!